What is up, you guys? I am going to show you today how I made this tufting frame. I will be showing you guys exactly how much everything is going to cost you when it comes to making your first rug tufting frame. So I have these two frames that I've made before, specifically more for punch needling and smaller projects. But I figure since I'm trying to expand my shop, I would go ahead and make this huge frame. So let me show you how. Of course, you're going to need some lumber. I got 2x4s at Home Depot. They also cut wood for free there, so that's awesome. And you're going to need 2 dowels as well to hold your yarn when you're tufting. Moving on to the hardware, you're going to need some hand clamps, any kind can work. You're going to need corner braces that you're going to secure your frame with, screw eyes for holding your yarn, and this all-purpose screw pack or something like it. I also got 2 packs of the tack strips to hold my cloth. For the tools, you're going to need a hammer, something to cut your tack strips with, mine is tinner snips, and then you're also going to need a pencil to mark measurements with, and a drill, and also of course a measuring tape. You may also want a sander. Now totaling everything up, the lumber was $9.90, the carpet tack strips were $5.96, the hand clamps for 2 was $17.54, the corner brace pack was $7.38, the screw eyes were $1.28, and the assortment screw pack was $12.98, coming to a grand total of $55.04. The first thing I like to do is sand the wood. Then I went ahead and measured out 40 inches by 40 inches for the inside of the frame. I lined up the outside 2x4 to line up to that 40-inch mark, and then I left 3 inches on the right side and 14.5 inches on the left side. After everything is lined up, I went ahead and connected the 2 pieces of wood with 2 screws on each end. Take those corner braces and secure them into each inner corner of your frame. Now it's time to cut the carpet tack strips to size. This is when those tinner snips will come in handy. You can also use a handsaw or any other thing that you would like to use. I just like using these tinner snips. Now it does actually matter which way you put your carpet grippers, so just make sure you put it the word side up on each side. Now go ahead and attach those screw eyes, and for the dowels I ended up actually just gluing them on with some Gorilla Glue. You can attach them however you feel. Kyla, say hi. Oh, big yawn, the puppies. I love you. Go have fun. So I will be trying to put together more videos here in the future if you guys liked this one. So go ahead and let me know if you did. What? Kyla's upset. She wants me to go hang out with her. So that is going to do it for the video. I will see you guys all next time. Stay happy. Bye. Stay happy.